The 2024 Kia Seltos offers two engine options, each designed to deliver a rewarding driving experience. The standard engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder that produces 146 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission that prioritizes fuel efficiency for your daily commute. For drivers seeking more thrills, the Seltos offers a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine. This peppy power plant generates 195 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, providing a noticeable boost in acceleration and passing power. The turbocharged engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for quick and responsive gear changes. Both engine options offer a good balance of power and efficiency, making the Seltos a great choice for both city driving and weekend getaways. The Seltos suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and dips in the road with ease. Steering is light and precise, making the Seltos easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you choose the standard engine or the turbocharged option, the 2024 Kia Seltos delivers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. The 2024 Kia Seltos welcomes you with a spacious and well-designed interior. High-quality materials and thoughtful touches create a premium ambiance. The cabin is surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The Seltos offers a range of comfort features to enhance your driving experience. Heated and ventilated front seats are available, ensuring you're comfortable no matter the weather. The driver's seat is power adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect driving position. Synthetic leather upholstery comes standard, with the option to upgrade to genuine leather in higher trims. Technology takes center stage in the Seltos, with a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This user-friendly system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone. A 6-speaker audio system provides clear and crisp sound. For an even more immersive experience, the Seltos offers an optional 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. This system is paired with a premium Bose audio system with 8 speakers, transforming your Seltos into a concert hall on wheels.